Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंय भोंवडेर आसतना मदर तेरेझान गरजू लोकां खातीर सुरू केल्ली मिशनरी ऑफ चॅरिटी संस्था वट्ट 49 वर्सां उपरांत बंद जाल्या. ह्या घडणुके आड पणजेच्या कांय जागृत लोकांनी रॅली काडून एसिस्टांसिया दे गोवाची इमारत दुरुस्त करून मिशनरी ऑफ चॅरिटीच्या सिस्टरींक परतून थंय हाडपाची मागणी केल्या. 300 मायज लोकांनी सायनी मारून अशी मागणी करपी चीट असिस्टांसिया दे गोवाच्या अध्यक्षाक दिल्या.
Now today we have come here, we have gathered here because in solidarity with the missionaries of charity, because we have submitted a petition with all the signatures requesting the missionary, the assistance of the Goa to do the repair work of the home and to recall the sisters, because they were doing a very wonderful job here for the poorest of the poor and the destitute. Sisters were wanting to also do the repair work, but they were not given permission by this assistance. This shows that they have a motive behind it, because this property is valued as of today 150 crores. You understood, no? So there are land sharks and there are greedy people whose ancestors have not purchased this property, but this property is purchased by the two generals who donated this for the charity work. So the thing is that we are trying to save this place for the betterment of the poorest of the poor, because we have lot of Goans who are poor, who don't have a single meal also, and we would have contributed for the repairs of the roof and little here and there cracks. See, if you don't maintain it, naturally the cracks will increase. So if you repair it, then there are no cracks. And look at this, in the city, this condition of the roof, can't they repair? So my humble request is to the assistance to reconsider their decision and bring them back. Don't say that the sisters have decided on their own. There is pressure on them not to come back.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.